How to shoot your own music video 3? Yeah, part 3. Make sure you guys check out the other parts in this series. It's dope information, man. A lot of stuff to consume, and you take that stuff into consideration and mix it with this part, and you know, just be creative. So today we're doing a hanging mic music video. You know, this is another idea you can complete by yourself. All you need is the tools to get the job done. In this case, I'm using a microphone, XLR cable, speaker wire to plug in the mic and hang it. And we have our hanging mic, right? And most importantly, you guys need a C-stand. This is a C-stand. You can get these off Amazon for about a couple $100, maybe like $150. So C-stand, a cord, and a microphone. That's all you need. Links to everything will be in the description. Make sure you check those links out. Support the channel. Let's get to it. And you can set this up fairly simple. You know, it's popularized by like a Zay Production and the On the Block series. That's really the only mic that matters. So once you get the C-stand, however high you want it to be, and, you know, you pull it up. Me personally, I like leaving the heavy part of the mic stand on the bottom, on the end, because you know, the higher you put it, the less balance you have on a C-stand. You know, unless you got like sandbags, you could throw them on the legs of the C-stand. That's my son upstairs. All right. So I suggest you guys just set this up before you raise it up high. So, all right. Then you guys want to take your mic, your hanging mic, and you know, we want to take the mic, and you want to take your cord and wrap it around. What I typically do, what I would do is just tie this in a little knot and make sure you have your mic to just adjust it. So your camera ain't gonna see all of this. You know what I'm saying? So we just tie that in a knot. You know, you have your mic hanging. So this don't have to be super high, but yeah. And you know, you can just wrap this around, go around, you know. All of this is going to be off camera, so you can really just get this messy as you want. Yeah. And you can do multiple videos like this. Get you a dope background, a dope setting, you know, outside, in your studio, however you want to do it, man. And we're going to wrap this up. And this is our hanging mic. So let's raise your microphone level. Now, most people, well, everybody hangs the mic to where you can only see the mic on camera. So I'm gonna show y'all guys what I'm talking about. So if I move the mic, if I move my camera, so if Like, you guys can't see the top part, you can only see the string and the mic. That's the idea, right? So we're going to adjust the mic. You want it where you can grab it, sing it. You know, it just looks organic, you know. Mic, cord, camera, cut it off at top, and you know, basically we're good to go. Now, next thing we need is a song. Can't have a music video tutorial without a song, right? This is my song, Joey Papers, The Lord's Work. Let's get it.
I wrote a letter for you, you. Scribbled in blood, nigga. God's green earth, Lord's work. Let's get it. I just sideswiped the Reverend doing 90 on the highway to heaven. In this life of sin, I probably done missed out on my blessings. Every day a nigga stressing, it just me and my weapon. Life taught lessons. I'm prepared if they test me. I feel all alone, wondering when God gon' call me home. Wish I can bring my cousin out that grave, put him on this song. My mama gone, grandma gone too. Only that nigga in the mirror know what I'm going through. This might be my last verse before I end up in a hearse. This might be my last breath. I'm smiling in the face of death. Reaper on the corner watching a nigga move. I'm watching these niggas move. They plotting to take my jewels, knock me up on my shoes, but I would not lose. Got that pistol grip, 30 round clip like nigga move. I'm frowning in the face of death, life ain't no joke. Eyes look behind these looks, brain full of smoke. The realest shit I ever wrote, my kids only hope. I know niggas who got life for selling dope. The preachers selling hope. Kids molested by the Pope. Before these niggas cut your break, they'll cut your throat. OG. What's your footprints in the sand, nigga? Young nigga. What's your footprints in the sand? Ain't no coming back, ain't no pause or rewind button. Never having shit in life is my excuse for the stunting. I'm feeling overweight for talking all this big boy shit. Nightly trips to the graveyard, I go and sit. Pour out some liquor for my niggas before I take a sip. I light a blunt up, let it burn before I take a hit. They went from shooting the hoop to shooting up the schoolhouse. 6 kids renting, doing mama gotta move out. The fuck you mean what's wrong with them? Just look at all the stress up on these young niggas. They all alone, daddy gone, and ain't nobody home with them. See, money is the root of all evil. They threw religion in the rule of people. Taught us white and black ain't equal. I'm about to move the needle. From James Brown to the Beatles. It's all food for thought, nigga. And I'm trying to feature R.I.P. Nelson Mandela. Fuck your Mason Martin, Margiela. Bodies drop when they change the weather. Got my pistol locked and loaded, 30 shots for whoever. At Satan's face, seen that fire from that barrel of that Beretta. They killed Jesus, what the fuck you think they do to me? The truth indeed, on God's green earth, my eulogy. OG.